So welcome to this video guys. Welcome to this video guys. In this video, I'll help you to know or to learn how to install the paid theme on the WordPress and how you can build a professional website. Although you have seen that how to do it with the free themes or the free templates, but in this specific video, I am showing you the live and the practical thing that I am doing it for one of my client who is a doctor and they want their professional website to be built on the WordPress. Right, so how to do this, let me just give you a overview. So she's a doctor and she's a cancer specialist doctor. So they have finalized this theme. You can see we have purchased this particular theme. Let me just show you this theme price also. So it cost approximately, including the taxes, $35 to $40 that they have purchased. And let me show you the appearance, that how this particular theme will look like. Although it is a skin theme, but we will change it to the cancer specialist theme. Whatever functionality she wanted, it is already there. She wanted to have an appointment option. She wanted to have a call number. She wanted to have this consultation area, and then other treatment services and all the things. So she have all these things whatever she needed, and she can also basically we can use this section to show before and after and all the things, what are the things that she will be suggested us for the content part and whatever sessions, whatever services she is providing. So we have all the things, the before and after sort of things also is there. So she feels that okay, this is one of the perfect website that she feels to have. So what we are doing is we'll be installing this particular theme, and right now we have our basic WordPress website. I can show you. So this is a basic and the fresh WordPress installation, and on this website we will be installing this particular paid theme that we have downloaded from there. Right, so once you purchase any theme from the theme forest, it will give you a dashboard like this. Right, from there you can just download your theme right after you make a payment. So we have already downloaded the theme. We have just clicked this option, installable WordPress file only. And now let's move it and let me just install the theme. So what you have to do is you have to go to the appearance, go to the themes, and click on add new theme, then click on upload theme. Because we are uploading the theme from the third party platform, so we will not be able to get it in the WordPress repository. So we have to upload the theme. Click on choose file, and let me just select the theme. This will be in the zip format, and then click on install now. So once you install the theme, it will be installed and then you have to activate it. Now the main thing starts after you activate the paid theme. It's not like that just by installing the theme you will get all the options that you have there on the preview. So right now you can see we have just got the layout and the functionality of the theme only, but not the complete content. So we want to get all the complete content just like this over here. So to import all this complete content, what you have to do is you have to come back to the dashboard, and once you install any of the paid theme, all paid themes comes with pre-installed plugins, pre-installed tools that you have to install them one by one, and accordingly then you have to import the demo content too. All right, so right now you can see on the dashboard this theme requires following plugins. All these plugins we have to install first, and this theme also recommends this following plugins. Right, so what we have to do is we have to click on this option, begin installing plugins. So there are a lot of plugins that we have to do. So let's just do it one by one. All right, this one installed. Let's get back. Then let's install this one. Let's get back to the other one. Then let's install this one. All right, let's install this one also. This one. So this is a booking manager. You can see anyone can book an appointment. Then contact form 7. and design themes portfolio add-on. So these are pre-packed plugins that comes along with this paid theme. So what we have to do is we have to just install them, and once we install it, we have to activate them. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm just installing them right now. And one more thing that you have to pay attention to, guys, you can see the type 1. These are the recommended, and many of the plugins that this particular theme is required. So on this thing, you will be getting an option that it is required. So required ones are necessary that you have to install and then activate. And these are the recommended one that if you do not install also, then it will work. All right. So these are recommended only. It's not required. So, but still, we are doing it the installation right now. I do not want any WooCommerce functionality, so I'm not any means I will not install this WooCommerce related plugins. Right, let's this is the demo importer, so that we will be able to import the complete demo content. Right, and I do not want to have this. All right, so all these plugins have already been installed. All right, and let me just refresh this. Now, the next thing that we have to do is we have to look out for the demo content importer, so that we can start importing the content. You can see the portfolio options there, services options there, persons, calendar, media, processor, packages. So all these options are there, but we have to look out for the demo importer settings, and let's just see where we can get that particular option. So might be it should be under the theme name maybe. And let's just see, this is the main thing that you have to do to get complete demo imported, this menu option. So you might be getting the theme options, either the theme name over there. If you are not able to get the theme names within this menus on the left hand side, so to look out the theme options first. So they are the option of menu options, that the name of the theme. And let's see, here we can just change site header and footer and all the things, but I have to look out for the demo importer, right, so that I can import the complete demo of the website. Mm, this is the option. So in the tools, we are getting demo content installed. Just click on this option and see, this is the demo installation, and then click on install. All right. So it will take some time, and see, they are installing the demo content. And once the demo content installed, then our website is live, and then we can start working on changing the content of the website. So just like we used to do on the templates, that when we install any template, when we import the template, the complete layout of the template has been installed, and then we start working on editing the content of the template. Similarly, when you install any paid theme, you have to first activate it. You have to install all the plugins related to that particular theme, and then you have to find out the option that where you are getting the option of the demo content installed. So you might be getting this option in the left hand side. There will be a separate option sometimes related to the demo content installer. Sometimes you will get the theme name on this left hand menu options, and within the theme name you will get the option of the demo content install. And sometimes you will get the options within the tool section. Right, so there are certain scenarios the options varies from theme to theme, so do not worry about it. But let's just this complete demo content installed, and then see that how the complete layout of website will be changed, and the demo content, the content that we have seen on the theme forest, this will be imported as it is on our website. So just wait a bit. Alright, so you can see the demo has been imported now, and now you can see the complete layout, the complete demo has been imported on this website. So obviously the images will you will not going to get the real images because there are some copyright issues. But yes, we can just change these images. But yes, you can see they will blur the images in the paid theme, but do not worry about it. But main thing is our slider is working, and we have got all the images, all the layout, all the services over here. All right, because these are the paid images, so obviously they'll blur it out. But yes, we are getting all the functionalities over here. So that's how, guys, you can import, or you can use the paid theme, and you can import the demo content to your website. The process is very simple, from whatever platform you are purchasing. So if you're purchasing from the theme forest or the Invato market, you have to first install the WordPress, then install that particular theme. You have to upload that particular theme. After you upload the theme, after your installation, you have to look out for the pre packaged plugins or the tools that is coming, or that has come with that particular theme. You have to install all those themes, all those plugins. And after installing all those plugins, you have to look out for the demo content installer that came up with that particular paid theme only. Use the demo content installer, and once the demo content installer is means if you find that demo content installer, try to import the complete demo content, and then your website will get the complete look of the theme that you have just seen and that you have purchased. So that's how you can work on the paid theme. I hope this video will help you out, guys. And one more thing, guys, if you need to purchase hosting, then below is the link. You can get the hosting from the hostinger at an extra 10% off. Just use the code that is there in the description.